Jeez. Good job, bruh. Stop shining like a
Side or shoot it?
We need scream out.
Fine.
Dude, that's the funniest clip. Hey, look at me. On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
I'm defending of AU. I'm defending of AU. I'm dealing of werewolf.
Oh, a rocket just flew right next to my head. Psst. Hi. I think you're dead.
Enemy spotted!
Psst. Hey, yeah, what? You're dead.
Man, I'm dead.
Did you see that? Come on, pussy. Go.
Oh my god, stop bro, I'm stuck! Can you help me?
Oh no! I definitely. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, boneless?
Hey, you behind you.
Oh, I just saw through the wall. That was just me. Apologize right now.
He's dead.
Y'all be friends.
There's no friends in war.
Hey,
Everyone has been on quick
you,
man.
bro?
Bring on duty.
Hey, it's me again. I feel bad for you, man.
Oh hey, it's me again. Hi, bitch.
Have you tried a knife only? Just for research purpose.
No! Hey, can you make this jump? Alright, come on, get a run at it.
That was when I ruled the land.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep. Cause they did the open air and leave teardrops everywhere. You think me rude, but I was just standing